In this video, we're going to show you how you attach your wood burner to the back of the Scorpio pizza oven and how to properly light it. Take the wood burner that you saw in the assembly video of how to put the leg onto the wood burner, and then simply line it up with the hole in the back of the oven and make sure that the safety latch is secured. And now you're ready to light your wood burner on the Scorpio pizza oven. Unlike the propane burner, the door is to remain closed when you're lighting the wood burner on the Scorpio. What you want to do is you want to start off with a couple of pieces of fire starters. You can find these virtually anywhere online or in hardware stores all over the country. And you'll insert these into the channel where the wood goes. You don't want to put them down here. This is where the ash and the soot are going to go after the Scorpio is burning, and that will last you a very long time. You won't need to change it during the course of your cook. Then what you'll do is you'll insert some small pieces, so kindling size pieces of wood that are inside, that you want to put inside the burner. And even though I have not lit the burner yet, I am going to put on my fire safety gloves. Again, you can find these anywhere as well. But if you insert the pieces of wood inside of the wood burner, you'll then be ready to light it. So before lighting your kindling, again, you want to make sure the rotation system is spinning. So with the power bank that's attached to your motor box, simply turn on the motor box, make sure your rotation system is spinning. Now that we know that the rotation system is spinning, you're going to light the starters, and that will get the fire started. And you want to close the wood burner. After a couple of minutes, you want to check in on the kindling to make sure that it is actually going and lit. Obviously, smoke is a good sign, but if you open up the wood burner and see that the kindling looks like it's going pretty well in there, and when you're ready, you want to add larger pieces of wood so that it'll really fire up. It takes about 35 to 40 minutes to get your oven to temperature for Neapolitan style pizza, which is about 850 to 900 degrees. And it will take a little bit more time than the propane burner. The propane burner usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Pro tip, you do not need your cap when you're using your wood burner. The cap that came with the oven is only required if on the propane burner and not required on the wood burner. So now that the fire has been going for a little while, we're going to check on it to see if we're ready to add some bigger pieces of wood. So again, using the gloves for a safety measure, I'm going to insert the larger piece of wood, push it down into the wood burner, and add a second piece, push that in there, and get the fire going. One important safety tip about the wood burner is that when this wood burner door is open, you cannot have the front of the oven door open. The reason is it causes a backdraft situation. So when you're loading wood inside the burner, make sure that the front door is closed, and the wood will burn. It'll go inside of the Scorpio oven, and the temperature of the oven will heat up quickly. And again, you'll want to scan it with your scan gun to check the temperature of the stone. So one more time, when checking the temperature of the stone, I want to make sure that my wood burner door is closed. I'm going to open the front of the oven. And scan the pizza stone to see where we are. Right now it's close to 300 degrees. So we're going to keep checking it to make sure that the wood is burning. Obviously, the smoke coming out of the chimney is a great sign, but we'll keep checking on it and make sure that it gets to the temperature we need in order to cook our pizza. So that's how you connect your wood burner to your Scorpio pizza oven and how you light your Scorpio pizza oven wood burner. Obviously, please visit us at scorpiopizzaoven.com to see more videos and learn more tips about how to use your Scorpio pizza oven. We're excited that you're a part of the Scorpio pizza oven family. Love your fire.